In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to your HostGator account using cPanel, one of the most essential skills for managing your website effectively. Whether you're updating your site with new content or starting fresh, knowing how to upload files smoothly will streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and take this process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to log into your HostGator account, which is where we begin our journey today. Once you're logged in, head over to cPanel, your control panel, which is the heart of your hosting environment. cPanel is a powerful tool, providing you with the ability to manage almost every aspect of your hosting account. Once you're inside cPanel, look for the section labeled Files. Under this, you'll find an option called File Manager. Click on it. File Manager is your gateway to all the files and directories hosted on your site. It's like the File Explorer on your computer, but for your website. Next, you'll need to decide where you want to upload your files. Typically, you'll be looking for a folder called public/HTML, as it serves as the main directory for your website's content. Think of public.html as the home folder for everything you want your visitors to see. Navigate to this folder or another of your choosing if your requirements differ. Now, once you are in the correct directory, look towards the top menu of File Manager for the Upload option. Click on Upload to start the process of transferring files from your computer to your website's server. This is essentially like attaching files to an email or moving them into a cloud folder. A new window or tab will open, providing you the opportunity to select files from your local computer. Depending on your browser, this may prompt you to browse through your system to locate the exact files you wish to upload. Select the files you're ready to upload. You can choose one file or multiple files at once depending on your needs. After you've selected your desired files, the upload process will automatically begin. You don't need to click any extra buttons to initiate it. Simply selecting your files starts the transfer. During the upload, there will likely be a progress indicator showing the status so you can see when it's complete. This part requires a bit of patience, especially if your files are large or if you're uploading many at once. Finally, once the upload is complete, you can close the upload window or tab. Your files are now live on your server, ready to be integrated into your website. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded files to your HostGator account using cPanel. Remember, this process can be repeated as needed anytime you have new files to add to your site. Thanks for watching, and happy website managing!